All right, this is a really cool kind of hidden feature for the high-level hosted video player customization. So hosted videos are the ones that you upload into your high-level account versus embedding a YouTube or a Vimeo video. The hosted video player, high-level is actually using an open source project called Video.js, which is really cool because Video.js has a lot of hidden features that are not really exposed in the high-level page builder. So here are the options that high level exposes. There's actually another option for looping, and there's a bunch of other things that we can do to it as well, including the ability to customize the skin. So in our demo here, this is kind of a Netflix style skin. Press play. Here are the controls for it. They're much larger. They're floating up a little bit. And for comparison, here is the default high level skin and our custom Netflix one. So to get this to work, it's actually really simple, and all we need to do is add some custom CSS to our page. So we're just going to come back into the high-level page builder. We're going to add a code block, and we're going to copy the CSS, paste that in, save that. And there is a little difference, though, between high-level's version of Video.js and the normal kind of open source version of it. So the code that I provided for that Netflix skin, it is going to look for a specific tag on the video element. So to do that, all we do is select the video element, click on the advanced tab, and then we come in and put in the video-js-custom class, hit enter, and save that. And now if we come back and refresh, we've got our custom skin. I hope you found this as cool as I did, and enjoy. Cheers.